Hello everyone, my name is iiPaulRB and welcome back to another video. So today I will be teaching you how to make stuff in Blender and put it in Roblox Studio for you to make like cool stuff, So I will be teaching you how to import and export and how to put it in Roblox for your games. Anyway, let's begin. So if you're a beginner, I'm gonna teach you still how to use it. So I'm going to teach you all the shortcuts as possible if I can. So let's begin. So make sure you have Blender open and let's delete this part, and for the shortcut to open, press Shift A and you will find like all of stuff for you to get, like this, etc. But we are gonna put an image here for us to like trace, for you to like learn how to like move stuff, crop and stuff, I don't know, but let's see. So I'm gonna do this one example. It's gonna be a coin tracing, so we're gonna do this. We're gonna set 0, it's gonna be 90, and it can be 180. There you go. Wait, nope. There you go. I think that's good. Yep, that is. Now we're gonna put it a little bit up. There you go. Now press Shift A again, go on mesh and press plane. Then you're gonna do like the same thing like we did with the location, 90, and then just rotate to 90 again. Then you're gonna press S to like fit it like bigger, at least like that, but make sure like to get it closer. So then you can trace it like in all of it, but then it doesn't have to just make it bigger, who knows. And then to check, you can press on the wireframe, so then you can like see it embedded like transparent-ish, when you go on edit mode to trace it. But we can like scale it down to make it like more neat. Now we are gonna go on edit mode. You can press shortcut for tab, so then you will easily go on edit mode, or you can just do it from here. Okay, now you're gonna press K, then this is gonna be the, I think it's this one, because I always use the shortcuts.
1 hour later.
No, yeah, this one. It's called knife. You can either press it from here or just press shortcut for K. So then you can go on the number lock. So then you can go exactly on the spot you want, like this. And now this is where we need to go. Press numpad 3. And we're gonna start going zoom in. Make sure they got corrected like that. And we're gonna start doing K. I'm gonna do a speedrun of this so that they don't go long, because it's gonna be like an easy part, just only trace it. So I'll see you after this is done. Okay, so I've completed the circle, and when you're done, press enter. So then it will cut all of it on this one. Now I'm gonna go in detail of this just to make all of that. So there will be the outline, then will be inside, and then we'll do the $sign. So do the same thing, just press K and then do you. Okay, after you're done, since this is all done, you can go back on the viewport, so then you can see everything is done here, like traced, everything is shaped up. So all you gotta do is just select this, one, two,
3, 4,
3, and
1,
4.
2. 1, 2, 3.
And then press delete, then vertices. So then you can see only this is left. Then you can like delete the image because you don't need it. Then you can go back to viewport, and then there you go. But now we can select all, press A, and then press E to make it more thick. And there you go. And now you can switch to this, to face select. Then you can select this and this. We actually we don't need that. We can only do this. Then you can press E, I think, right? Yeah. To make it more like N. There you go. Do this one too. I'm kinda new to this thing, just saying. So I don't know all the stuff. You can make it like that. I think that's good. Maybe we can make this one N or 2. Yeah, that's good. Make this one inside 2. There you go. That's all good. That's all it. You can even smooth it if you want. You can go back to object and then press smooth like that. Oh, never mind. Let's keep it flat. You can add modifiers, but I'm not gonna add this just for telling you. Modifiers I like to make it like much smoother for that. You can now we're gonna export. We from OBJ. Then you go on desktop, whatever your folder is. This is where I put all the stuff. We're gonna name them coin, because why not? There you go. Coin. And now we're gonna go to Roblox Studio. Okay, now we're on Roblox Studio. Now, in my last video I told you how to get the Explorer and the properties. So you can modify them and like select them and get whatever you want. So we're gonna press the plus button on workspace. Then you're gonna find the mesh part, so we can able to get the coin. And now when you're on properties, you can like get mesh ID, and then you can get the coin. So I think I put it in GFX. Yeah, there you go. Coin. Would you like no? And there it is. Your sweet coin. Oh wait, I forgot to do the thing. Oh. Anyways, you can do it on yourself when you are in Blender itself. You can like select the part and then put it inside more here, like we did for this one. But anyways, you can then change the color however you want and change the material, either this or whatever. It's kind of transparent. Anyways, you can make it like this. Just make it smooth plastic. So yeah, that's all it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this helped you a lot for this. And maybe if you have suggestions to what you want me to do for the next video, please leave it in the comment section. So yeah, see you guys next time.